Hello everyone, we are going to learn about how to use new window in Excel and how to arrange it, okay, when you do work. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. You can just go on view. You can see here the new window. Click on the new window. Okay, just see here, open the second window. Again, you can arrange all. You can see here, you can arrange horizontal. This is a horizontal way. When you write here something, you can see on different window same as you write. Okay, arrange all, you can select the vertical. Okay, then you can see a vertical Excel. If I am write here something, you can see on your second window Excel. That's it. Thank you.